In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Valorant freezing in-game in 2025. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure Valorant's not open in the background. Then go over to search and type in Valorant like so, and then open up the file location, which is the third option. From here, what you want to do is right click on Valorant, go to show more options, and then go to properties, which is at the very bottom. Now it's going to open up something like this, and from the shortcut tab, you want to go to compatibility. You want to make sure that run this program in compatibility mode 4 is checked, and then you want to make sure it's on Windows 8. Press apply and then click OK. And if it's still freezing in game, what you could do is on the very bottom, go to search and go to graphic settings like so, which is under system settings. So I'm going to search Valorant right now. If it's not coming up, I can add a desktop app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the location for where Valorant is installed on my PC. Then just click on Valorant and then click add like so. And then all I want to do is I want to go ahead and find the right client. Click on that, and where it says GPU preference, let Windows decide, switch it over to high performance, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on the channel as well.